If you're between 40 and 80, everyday ailments like sluggish digestion, blood sugar spikes, joint pain, or poor immunity can seem inevitable. But prepare sweet potatoes the right way, and watch a dozen health issues vanish. Most people make the mistake of peeling sweet potatoes before cooking, unknowingly discarding one of the most powerful parts of this superfood. The skin is packed with dietary fiber, which plays a key role in relieving constipation, a common issue among people over 40. Fiber also helps regulate digestion and keeps bowel movements smooth and regular. But it does not stop there. Sweet potato peels contain potent antioxidants, such as chlorogenic acid and quercetin. These antioxidants fight off free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress, which contributes to aging and chronic diseases. Regularly consuming the peel can also help lower LDL cholesterol levels, the bad kind that clogs arteries and raises heart disease risk. In addition, the fiber and phytochemicals found in the skin support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, forming a healthy microbiome that influences everything from immunity to mental health. So next time, bake or roast your sweet potatoes whole, and keep the skin on for full-spectrum health benefits. Purple sweet potatoes might not be as common in every grocery store, but they should be a regular part of your health routine, especially as you age. Their vibrant color comes from a powerful group of antioxidants known as anthocyanins. These compounds are the same ones found in blueberries and red cabbage, and they are known for their anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Research shows that anthocyanins can help reduce chronic inflammation in the body, which is a root cause of many age-related illnesses, including heart disease, arthritis, and Alzheimer's disease. Furthermore, purple sweet potatoes have been studied for their ability to inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells, particularly in the colon. These colorful tubers also support eye health, blood pressure regulation, and liver function. The best way to prepare them is to steam or roast them, preserving the nutrients without adding unhealthy fats. Including purple varieties in your weekly diet can give your body a vibrant defense system against modern diseases. Frying sweet potatoes might be tempting, especially for those who love the crisp texture. But it comes with serious health drawbacks. Frying increases the glycemic index, causing your blood sugar to spike and crash, something that can be dangerous for people with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Moreover, frying often uses unhealthy oils, which can lead to inflammation and weight gain. Instead, opt for baking, roasting, or steaming. These cooking methods retain most of the natural nutrients, including vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants, while keeping the glycemic index low. Baking or roasting also allows the natural sweetness of the potato to shine through, eliminating the need for added sugar or artificial toppings. By avoiding the fryer and sticking with dry heat, you not only protect your blood sugar stability, but also preserve heart health and reduce the risk of metabolic disorders. It is a simple switch that pays off big in the long run. Sweet potatoes are rich in fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin E, which play crucial roles in maintaining vision, immune health, and skin elasticity. However, without healthy fats, your body cannot absorb these nutrients efficiently. This is where a simple drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a few slices of avocado, or a small handful of nuts can make a big difference. Healthy fats act as carriers, enhancing the absorption of these vitamins in the digestive tract. Vitamin A supports night vision and protects against age-related eye diseases. Vitamin E, on the other hand, is a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals and reduces signs of skin aging. Combined with the antioxidants in sweet potatoes, This pairing becomes a powerful shield against cellular damage. Additionally, healthy fats help stabilize energy levels, improve brain function, and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Including a modest amount of healthy fat in your sweet potato dishes transforms them from a simple side dish into a nutrient-absorbing powerhouse. You do not need to be a chef to turn your sweet potato meal into a powerful natural remedy. Adding turmeric, cinnamon, or even a pinch of ginger can significantly boost the health benefits. These spices are packed with anti-inflammatory compounds, such as curcumin in turmeric and cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon, which have been shown to reduce symptoms of arthritis, joint pain, and muscle soreness. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic conditions that become more common after age 40, including heart disease and autoimmune disorders. By regularly incorporating these spices, you are giving your body natural tools to fight swelling and discomfort without relying on medications. These ingredients also enhance flavor, reduce the need for added salt or sugar, and support metabolic health. A teaspoon mixed into mashed or roasted sweet potatoes can make a surprising difference in both taste and how your body feels, sometimes in just a few days. One of the smartest and most surprising ways to supercharge sweet potatoes is to cool them after cooking and then reheat them before eating. This process changes the structure of the carbohydrates, increasing the amount of something called resistant starch, a special type of fiber that resists digestion in the small intestine and ferments in the colon. Resistant starch acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut, which in turn helps reduce bloating, supports digestion, and improves overall gut health. It also has a positive effect on blood sugar control, slowing the rate at which glucose enters your bloodstream, an essential benefit for anyone managing insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. To do this, simply bake or boil your sweet potatoes. Let them cool completely in the refrigerator for several hours or overnight, and then gently reheat them before serving. This small change turns an already healthy food into a metabolic and digestive ally. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile, and blending them into soups or smoothies is one of the tastiest and most effective ways to unlock their full health potential. When cooked and pureed, sweet potatoes create a creamy, smooth texture that is easy on the digestive system, perfect for individuals over 40 who may experience gut sensitivity or digestive sluggishness. Blended sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants, particularly beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, a key nutrient for heart health, immune strength, and cell repair. These antioxidants also help lower inflammation and combat oxidative stress, which is often linked to mental fatigue and mood imbalance. Including them in a warm soup can create a calming, nourishing effect, while adding them to smoothies with a touch of cinnamon or ginger can support mental clarity and reduce stress. This method is also ideal for those with dental issues or reduced appetite, offering a gentle yet deeply nourishing meal. Whether it is a spiced autumn soup or a chilled morning smoothie, blending sweet potatoes is a simple way to sip your way into better health, one delicious spoonful at a time. While orange sweet potatoes are widely known and packed with beta-carotene, rotating in white sweet potatoes can provide a more balanced nutrient profile and amplify overall wellness benefits. Each color variety offers unique phytonutrients that support different parts of the body, so alternating between them ensures that you are not relying on just one group of compounds. Orange varieties are excellent for vision protection, immune support, and skin health due to their high vitamin A content. Meanwhile, white sweet potatoes are often lower on the glycemic index and contain different antioxidant compounds that help support cognitive function and regulate blood sugar more steadily. This simple act of rotating your sweet potatoes weekly, perhaps orange one week, white the next, can help prevent age-related vision loss, boost brain health, and guard against cellular damage caused by free radicals. Think of it as eating with both color and purpose. The more diverse your plate, the more powerful your nutrition becomes. Now you've got 8 simple ways to turn sweet potatoes into a health powerhouse: vanishing constipation, blood sugar swings, inflammation, and more. Try them this week, then like, subscribe, and share your results.